In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently manage your tax settings using QuickBooks, a popular accounting software favored by businesses of all sizes. Whether you're just starting out with QuickBooks or looking to streamline your tax management process, these steps will guide you through the key features to enhance your financial workflows. First off, open your preferred web browser and head over to the QuickBooks homepage. You can access this by typing in the URL, or if you have it bookmarked, give that a click. Make sure you're logged in to get unrestricted access to all the functionalities QuickBooks offers. Once on the home page, take a moment to familiarize yourself with your dashboard, which is your control center for all things accounting. Next, direct your attention to the navigation menu and click on Taxes. This section is your gateway to managing all your tax transactions and obligations, ensuring you're always compliant with the relevant laws and regulations. The Taxes page will display a comprehensive overview of your current tax situation, so it's a good place to start when managing taxes. After you've clicked on Taxes, go ahead and look for the option labeled Manage Tax Categories. You will find this to be particularly helpful, as categorizing your tax items can make quarterly and annual filing significantly easier. Organizing these categories to suit your specific business needs can save you time and help you avoid potential errors down the line. Once you feel confident in the way your tax categories are structured, you can simply click Done to confirm your selections. It's like giving yourself a pat on the back for setting things up just right. Returning to the main tax page, you are now going to focus on Tax Settings. This feature allows you to customize how your taxes are applied and calculated according to your business needs. Now click on Tax Settings to bring up various options that control your tax-related preferences. These settings are quite vital because they determine how your taxes are handled in every transaction you make. Whether you're adjusting tax rates or setting new ones, it's all managed here. After reviewing your settings, you might decide that you need to make a few changes. In that case, simply click on the Edit button to adjust any of the parameters that don't fully align with your business requirements. Once you've made your changes, it's time to lock them in. Click on Save to ensure that all the adjustments you've made are applied. This step is crucial because it prevents data loss and ensures your tax settings are up to date and ready to function within your QuickBooks environment. And there you have it. By following these steps, you're well on your way to mastering tax management within QuickBooks. Remember, the more you familiarize yourself with these tools, the more proficient you'll become at handling your business's financial health. Happy accounting!